Hello and welcome. In this video tutorial of Android tips and tricks, I'm going to show you how you can check who is using your Wi-Fi. You'll be able to see who else is using your Wi-Fi or your internet on which device by just using your Android phone. For this, you will need to download and install an app from the Google Play Store, which is trusted and secure to install on your phone. So let's open the Play Store. Search for Fing, Fing. It is a network monitoring tool for mobile devices, and as you can see, the app has already been downloaded more than 10 million times. Click on Install. Wait until the download and installation is complete and click on Open. Here, click on Scan for devices. Click on Next. Click on Agree and Continue. You can just continue without enabling or allowing to reveal your current location and just click on I'll think about it to continue instead of signing in. Here out of these four options, you can choose any. Let's choose I am professional to continue. Now click on Scan for devices button to see which devices are using your Wi-Fi or your internet on which devices. Here also you can just click on continue without permission. Now wait until the scanning is complete. As you can see, the 5 devices are currently using our internet, among which the 2 are desktop PCs and the other 2 are mobile devices, and the one is the DSL router. From the list, you can check the valid and invalid devices or devices out of your home or out of your identification. You can block the unknown devices by just accessing your router and applying device filtering or the MAC filtering mechanism. To check the details of a device, you can simply click on it. You can also manage the device for some other options such as removing the device, pinging the device to know if it's online, trace the route, find open ports, and so on. Navigating to the network section, you can see other information and other features of the app related to the network management or monitoring. And finally, if you click on the Internet tab, here you can even check your internet speed. Let's check. Okay, this is how you can check who is using your internet or your Wi-Fi by simply installing an app called Fing in your Android phone. I hope the video was useful to you. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you on the other videos. Till then, have a nice time. Take care. Goodbye.